Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we are going to talk about one of the most anticipated supercars of the future, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This machine represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering and design, blending the perfect balance of style, luxury, and raw performance that continues to push the boundaries of what a hypercar can achieve. The Ferrari F80 isn't just another model. It's a statement of dominance and passion in the automotive world. When we look at the exterior of the Ferrari F80, the first impression is pure aggression mixed with elegance. The body is sculpted like a piece of art, with every single line having a purpose for aerodynamics. Ferrari has used lightweight carbon fiber materials extensively to ensure strength without compromising agility. The front fascia carries a sharp, low-slung design with sleek laser headlights that merge seamlessly into the curving bonnet. Large air intakes dominate the sides, providing cooling to the massive engine while also adding to its bold, race-ready stance. The rear is equally stunning, with a futuristic diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a dynamic active wing system that adjusts in real time to enhance downforce at high speeds. The Ferrari F80 is not just beautiful, it is engineered to slice through the air with efficiency and purpose. Inside, the Ferrari F80 is a perfect blend of luxury and race-inspired technology. Step into the cabin, and you are immediately greeted with a cockpit designed around the driver. Ferrari has stripped away unnecessary elements and focused on creating a lightweight, performance-driven interior, yet without sacrificing comfort. Premium Alcantara, fine leather, and carbon fiber trim dominate the cabin, giving it a high-tech yet luxurious vibe. The steering wheel carries Ferrari's signature F1-inspired controls, allowing the driver to access performance settings instantly. Digital displays provide a futuristic interface, combining performance data, navigation, and entertainment in one seamless experience. Despite being a hypercar, the F80 does not neglect the passenger, as even they get an immersive ride with sports, seating, and advanced comfort systems. It's a space that makes you feel connected to both the car and the road in a way that only Ferrari can deliver. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Ferrari F80 truly shocks the world. Under the hood, Ferrari has developed a hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine with advanced electric motors. The combined output is rumored to deliver around 2,200 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Ferraris ever built. With this setup, the F80 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2 seconds, a figure that pushes the boundaries of physics. For a road-legal car, the top speed is expected to exceed 280 miles per hour, which places the F80 in the same league as the world's fastest hypercars. Ferrari's advanced all-wheel drive system and active aerodynamics ensure that this car is not just about straight-line speed, but also about handling corners with precision and balance. The F80 represents the perfect combination of power, efficiency, and control. When it comes to pricing, the Ferrari F80 is positioned as a hyper-exclusive masterpiece. Reports suggest that the starting price will be around $3 million, depending on customization options. Ferrari will likely produce this car in very limited numbers, ensuring that it remains a collector's dream and a symbol of exclusivity. The F80 isn't just a car you buy, it's an investment in Ferrari's legacy and future innovation. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is a breathtaking machine that combines stunning design, a futuristic interior, groundbreaking performance, and extreme exclusivity. It's a car built not just to compete, but to set new standards in the hypercar world. Ferrari has once again proven why it is one of the most respected and admired names in the automotive industry. Thanks for watching this review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AK Cars Reviews for more detailed reviews of the latest and most exciting cars in the world.